Well, the Owlet baby monitor came in today. Let's do a little unboxing. We got a minute. Comes with the camera. Says secure encrypted Wi-Fi. Tells you the room temperature, audio, and obviously the baby. This is the camera. Comes with the camera, the mounts. I'd show you the mounts, but it's not very special. But here's the camera here. It's gonna sit like this. More mounts. More mounting cable, hiding stuff. What else? Extra fabric socks. Anyways, I was right in the middle of my unboxing when you heard Chloe. So these are the extra fabric socks, 0 to 18 months. These here are, they tell you 12 pounds or less, and then these are from 12 to 30 pounds. So these go with the Owlet Dream sock. If I could open the box, that would be nice, right? One-handed YouTube. And we're back. So this is the actual baby monitor here, along with the camera. It works together with the camera. And boom. So here's the sock with the heart rate monitor, oxygen monitor, all that good stuff. The charging pad, the charging base. It comes in really nice packaging, and the base is pretty good looking, kind of heavy. It's clickable, and this base will light up depending on what's going on with the baby. Here is an example of a baby's foot with the monitor on, and different size socks that all work in conjunction with the camera. So stay tuned for a in-depth review, on foot review later.